My name's Connor and I'm a Seaman Grade 1. Day to day I'm involved in seamanship evolutions, and that could be replenishments at sea, that could be mooring operations or launching a crash boat. The usual working day is from 8 in the morning till 5 o'clock in the evening. If we're at sea we tend to do watches, so you're either on the bridge helming the ship looking out, or you could be on the deck involved with the replenishments at sea. We send lines across, and then we can send fuel hoses across that they connect to. We can then pump fuel from our ship to their ship. It's a whole ship team effort to complete it. A lot of concentration, a lot of teamwork to get the job done safely and efficiently. So initial 10 weeks at HMS Raleigh was the first stage of training, and through that you learn your basic seamanship skills as well as doing functional skills. So maths, ICT, English. After that you go on to do your sea survival courses. Throughout your training you get MCA approved qualifications that you can take anywhere. That's the good thing with the RFA. The living conditions on board are excellent. You can personalise your cabin to however you want, posters up, your own bed sheets. You've got a gym on board, so there's lots of things you can do to sort of keep yourself interested. The work-life balance is great. We do 3 or 4 month appointments on the ship, followed by 3 months or more months leave. So there's a lot of time to work, but also be at home with your loved ones. When I'm on leave, I do a lot of mountain biking, I do a lot of travelling, also a lot of sleeping. In the next few years I would like to progress professionally, so I want to gain more qualifications, become more skilled, and that takes time. I love the job, love the people, love the ships.